you have just returned from the long Radhe Shyam shoot in Italy. First of all, tell me, what was that like?
It was crazy, I would say, because shooting during Corona, I think getting there was such a big issue. Somehow we've managed it. We had a no hugs policy on set, I would say. uh, and I always say that, this saying of the show must go on is so apt for the film industry, because we are shooting even during these tough times. But I was really, I would say, grateful to be shooting during this period. Uh, and It was quite the task, because we had to wear our masks. People were getting tested every 5 days on set, so all of that safety precautions were being taken. But as actors, I think the mask has to come off eventually. So you are at risk somewhere or the other. And actresses, we have our makeup, so then we have our lines, so we can't wear masks at all times. But it was quite an experience, I would say.
So, I was doing an interview with Prabhas just before the release of Saho, and he was telling me about how shy he is, to the point where he gets uncomfortable if there are too many people, even on the set. And, I was just wondering, what is it like to have a shy co-star? Does it ever get in the way?
Actually, he's not very shy when he's on set, in terms of, I don't know what he's telling people, but we've had a blast shooting the film. Like, I guess with me, he's been very chilled out and comfortable, I would say. Also, it's a love story. It's not like a regular action flick. So we have been shooting from day one together. So we did bond in terms of, ensuring that the chemistry is great on screen and all of that. So he's been a total, like, he's quite a goofy person compared to the Bahubali that you see that he is, in action hero. He's quite goofy, which kind of suits my personality, because I think I'm pretty goofy too. So we've had a blast shooting the film.
And he's never shy when you're actually shooting.
The producers of this film are his friends, so I guess he's very comfortable shooting it. But it's been a lot of fun. I would say he keeps ragging me on set about something or the other. He's actually very naughty. I think he's just shy with people he doesn't know.
Yeah, yeah. Pooja, Prabhas is, of course, massive star. You've also worked with other really heavyweight names, Allu Arjun, Mahesh Babu. Now you've signed films with Salman Khan, with Ranveer Singh. Tell me, when you're working with actors whose persona is so much larger than life, how do you ensure that you don't kind of get sidelined in any way, or you don't become just the decoration in a film?
I think I just kind of, it comes also from, I would say, like an inner self-belief, and I also try to bring back to the character. Now, of course, in the Prabhas film, I have a very big role. It is an out-and-out love story. So, of course, there's no sidelining happening there. But whether it was with Allu Arjun, it just so happens that people did talk about Butta Bumma, or, the songs or the scenes. It kind of became a hit. I dubbed for my own films. So I think if you go that extra mile and you make that extra effort, somewhere I feel like it just kind of, people recognize it. So because I've gone out and dubbed Telugu films when I'm not Telugu, I have taken that extra effort. Somewhere people have appreciated it and are actually asking me to dub my other films. So I think that if you go do that extra little thing, is somewhere it doesn't get sidelined and you do get noticed, is what my belief is. And then at the end of the day, it's also destiny, I feel.
Tell me, how do you negotiate the cultural differences, between the various film ecosystems, right? Like, for example, Allah Vaikunta Purumula, which massive blockbuster.
Well done, you pronounced this so well.
Did I
well, I'm so impressed right now.
Thank you. I have to take a bow. I had to like repeat that to myself, and I'm not going to do it again. I'm only saying it once.
No, because every other interview I've done, they've said, Allah, you know the film, I can't pronounce the name, and I'm just like, wow, this is why you are where you are. Well done. Yeah.
So Pooja, I really enjoyed the film. Okay, it was a lot of fun. It had emotion, it had comedy. But for me, genuinely, those moments where Allu Arjun's character is staring at your legs were very, very odd, right? I mean,
Yeah.
of course, in the movie, you're his boss. You are in a more powerful position than he is. But for
Yeah.
me, I just felt like that's not funny. You know, if this ever happened to any woman in an office, it would be super creepy, right?
Yeah.
There are things that are maybe funny and accepted, which don't work as well, which is also something I think happened with like a film like Kabir Singh, right? Arjun Reddy didn't get the flack that Kabir Singh got, and both were, of
Yeah.
course, massively successful because
Yeah.
there is a difference, slight difference in sensibility. How do you, as an actor, going from one industry to the other, negotiate that?
So I have to say that when Trivikram sir told me about the scene, I was just like, but sir, shouldn't like he's staring at my legs. So I'm someone who always fights about things like this, you know. And we actually added those scenes where, you know, I send him into the cold, I send him somewhere really hot, and we added those scenes to try and also justify that she doesn't take it lightly, you know. And then I come to him and I say, you need to get out of this leg thing. I said, when you have weight on your head, I don't know if the lines translate when
Yes,
they do it
yes, you put a book on his head and you say,
Yes.
yeah.
And I say that, you know, people who have responsibilities on their head never look down, they always look up, you know. And that's the point. You know, he comes back and says to his friends that the legs were okay, but the moment I saw into her eyes, that's the moment when I felt that Madam, sir, Madam Ante is what he says, you know, that Madam is Madam. So this entire thing we did add. It may have some people noticed it, some people didn't notice it. Somewhere it kind of passed, sometimes it didn't, and it's a learning experience. But I always try to add these things in my film.
You pushed back. You said that this is weird.
Yeah, I did, and we did talk about this. I spoke about it in my press things. I said, you know, the South has an obsession with navels and, you know, midriffs. I said, I'd rather have a guy look at my legs than my midriff. You know what I mean? Like, so I said, you know, sometimes somebody said that, is it vulgar or something? I said, you know, I think legs are hot, personally speaking. But objectifying the legs, maybe not, which is
Correct.
why we added those scenes. But a lot of people maybe didn't, you know, notice that those scenes that we added, or maybe in it got lost in translation.
Pooja, you're in a place where you can say that this is awkward and I don't want to do this.
I always I kind of try to reason with my directors, and it's either you convince me or I convince you. It's one of the two. So we reach this middle ground where people are like, okay, you know, he talks about this, the book, he talks about eyes, he talks about it, he falls in love because of who I am rather than my legs.
Right.
So even the song where he talks about the legs, actually he's talking about the gait of an elephant. Samaja Varagamana is the gait of an elephant. You know how gracefully she walks. So I think, yeah, but somewhere down in the translation, it's kind of got lost.
Tell me, I saw in some, I don't remember the name of the media outlet, but they said that you hiked up your price because now you're getting so many offers. Is this true?
Oh God. I mean, I'm just going to say thank you. That's all.
We will take that to mean yes.
I mean, you know, it's not hike up. I don't know what it says. I think that actors and actresses should, I'm all for equal pay. And I think that if equal pay is not happening, at least whatever your market value is, I think there's a difference between self-worth and, I don't know what, you know what I mean? Like, I think it should just you should know what you're worth, and that's about it. But otherwise, I don't want to talk about the money aspect of it in general, you know.
Of course.
Yeah.